All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at the Near protocol. Okay, we're on near.org right now. First site I'm taking you guys to. So reimagine your world through simple, secure, and scalable technology. Near empowers millions to invent and explore new experiences. Business, creativity, and community are being reimagined for a more sustainable and inclusive future. Okay, Near is one of the video viewer requests from the comment section. So please feel free to drop a comment below and let me know if you like this video and what content you guys want me to create moving forward. Any projects, stocks, cryptos you guys want me to look at. Near is for a multi-chain future. Okay, Near runs in concert with Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, and more, allowing for the free flow of assets and communication between networks for the betterment of all. It's got solutions for scaling. Okay, Near is eliminating the barriers to Web3 adoption with high speeds, low fees, and progressive UX. Near's climate neutral blockchain is ready for explosive growth. Okay, climate control fears and stuff like that was a big problem, with the crypto world, and they have really great solutions to that. And they are the foundation for creation. Okay, the creator economy requires robust infrastructure, including a set of intuitive developer tools and an engaged, decentralized community. All right. The reason I'm showing it to you today is there's a lot of news going on. Okay. If we look at the Motley Fool, which is actually a stock thing mostly, they've been covering a lot of cryptos. They got an article released December 22nd. Why Near Protocol, Luna, Cosmos, and Phantom skyrocketed higher today. Okay. And basically they are just going into some of the altcoins, but altcoins kind of a loose term. I don't think that these will necessarily be considered altcoins in a year from now, right? So what? So what? All these things are big, okay. Well, what happened was late on Tuesday, Near announced that the blockchain protocol Terra would integrate the UST stablecoin, right, in Aurora on the Near ecosystem. So now what? What does that really mean? Okay. Well, smaller cryptocurrencies may not get the attention of their bigger rivals, but they would argue that the real innovation is taking place in ecosystems like Near, Terra, and others. Okay, I've dropped a few videos on Terra Luna. If you guys want to deep dive on Terra Luna, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to drop one on Terra Luna. I've already made a couple videos just over the price and stuff like that. But in 2022, investors will want to watch just how quickly users move to any of these given ecosystems, right? Building tools is great, but attracting a critical mass of creators and users will be critical whether you're building finance projects or NFTs. That will be the real challenge. And that's true. It's which one is going to be mass adopted, right? Whichever one's set up the best, and also a little bit of marketing, okay? If they're able to market it well to the community. It's also important to keep in mind cryptos will be very volatile over the next year. And they just talk about the stock market a little bit. That's a little bit off term, but cryptocurrency is volatile every year, so I don't know what they're talking about. Let's go ahead and dive a little bit more into it, okay, and go over to bringing the Terra stablecoins to Near. So the issuing of UST on Near is a result of a partnership between Terra and DeFi tools Nearpad and Rose. Developers say the move will facilitate the growth of UST to new ecosystems on both Near and Aurora, a bridge that moves assets between Ethereum and Near. So, they've got a lot of great stuff going on. They got a Ethereum bridge to, bridge their stuff to the Near protocol. DeFi protocols rely on smart contracts instead of middlemen to provide financial services such as lending, borrowing, and trading to users. Terra has a growing user base, and expanding to other blockchains helps create further use cases for both its blockchain and issued assets. On Tuesday, Terra became the world's second largest DeFi ecosystem and holds over 18 billion in value across various products and services as reported. So, they're kind of going hand in hand right here. Okay, as far as Near and Terra, but this video is mostly on Near. So we'll just continue to highlight the things like that. So Nearpad and Rose will offer incentivized opportunities for users to deposit UST and liquidity into the protocols, which can then be accessed by the wider Near community. Nearpad is a Near-based decentralized exchange, a DEX, and market maker, while Rose is an Aurora-based stablecoin and wrapped asset swap product. Okay. Connecting Near and Terra ecosystems via Allbridge allows apps like Rose and Nearpad to offer new ways to use stablecoins to both communities. So what they're doing is they're kind of just connecting communities together, right? So as we said, the ones that are going to be the most important are the ones that can gain mass adoption. Well, you know, if you're able to, you know, let's say gain mass adoption, you need to be able to, you know, have people running on different networks, you know, convert. You need to have bridges. You need to have things like these to make it easier for them. Okay. So Terra, for instance, is now supported on the Ethereum blockchain, the Terra blockchain, the Binance Smart Chain, and the Secret Network as per coin market cap. Right. So, you know, UST is now the world's largest decentralized stablecoin. And you know, they kind of just go into it a little bit more, but that's really important, guys. Okay, so you know, they had now Near Protocol is now offering the top stablecoin. So when it comes to what stablecoins are good, you know, technically right now you could say that UST is the best stablecoin. Okay, it's the top, right? Near just added the top, they just partnered with the top stablecoin company. So just think about that. Now, Terra also has a bunch of their own stuff going on besides a stablecoin, of course. But, you know, what's really nice is to see some of your top projects working together with each other to improve the community as a whole. Okay. I already liked Terra. I already liked Near. Now they're working together, and I like them both a little bit more for that. Okay. So, you know, let me know if you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Just started it 3 months ago. And, you know, if you guys watch my latest video on the price update on Near, I'm looking at the chart right now, and we are heading into breakout territory, baby. So, you know, lots of hype and momentum following this news. Okay. At the time of this recording, it's December 24th, day before Christmas Eve. And, you know, I'm here to give you guys a little early Christmas present. All right.